it's very saddening and very frustrating. Talagang nakakainis po, honestly. It's unfair. It's very wrong. It's very wrong that to discriminate against someone because may kaso nga sa town nila. The risk is everywhere, no? It doesn't just mean if you're from Vintar or from Solsona, you have COVID. So we cannot discriminate against our frontliners. We cannot discriminate against those town mates na meron. These people were quarantined. No? These two patients were quarantined. So realistically, there's very little, slight to no risk in meeting someone from Vintar or Solsona, and which is just, I guess, a reminder again yung sa pagsuot ng mask and social distance. Let us not discriminate who to wear a mask in front of and who to social distance from. It doesn't mean if you're from Lawag, I don't have to wear a mask, diba? Hindi naman ganun kasi pag ganun po yung mindset po natin, dun po tayo magkakaroon ng spread. So let us continue to be careful with everyone, but at the same time understanding and not discriminatory, diba? Lahat naman po tayo ay Ilocano.